In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to print your Google Docs file, double-sided for a clean, professional result while saving paper. First, make sure your document is truly finished. Give it a quick proofread, check that headings and spacing are consistent, and confirm that page breaks land where you want them. If you're using headers, footers, or page numbers, glance through a few pages to ensure they line up correctly. Also verify the page size and orientation in Google Docs so the printout matches your expectations. With your document ready, look to the top left of Google Docs and click File. This opens the main menu where all your export and print options live. From there, choose Print. This will open your browser's print preview window and show you exactly how your pages will look when they come out of the printer. In the print preview, locate the option labeled More Settings. Click it to expand the full list of print controls. This section gives you finer control over the output and is where the double-sided setting lives. It's very helpful for adjusting things like paper size, scale, and margins, but today we'll focus on two-sided printing. Find print on both sides. Depending on your printer, it might also be called two-sided or duplex. Turn it on. If you see options for long edge or short edge binding, choose long edge for documents you read like a standard book in portrait orientation. Short edge is useful for landscape layouts, such as brochures or flip-style booklets. If you don't see a double-sided option, your printer may not support automatic duplexing, or it may require enabling duplex in the printer's driver. In that case, consult your printer's documentation for specifics. Before finishing, double-check the selected printer, the number of copies, color or black and white, and the page range if you only need certain pages. Confirm the preview looks correct, especially the first few pages, and make sure the orientation matches your document. When everything looks good, click Print. Your printer will handle the rest, automatically printing both sides of the paper. As the pages come out, keep them in order to prevent mixing fronts and backs, and review the first sheets to confirm the binding direction matches what you intended. That's it. Document finalized, file, print, open, more settings, enable print on both sides, and print. Follow these steps each time you want a tidy double-sided output from Google Docs, and you'll get consistent professional results with less paper waste.